Hey everybody, I'm Richie. Welcome to the Fish Temple. This is a place where aromatics and fish become one, and everyone is welcome. Come on in. The Fish Temple is simply a way to infuse wood and aromatics into your fish. Start by soaking your wood chips overnight. We're using apple wood. Then you're gonna skin your fish, but save your skin. We're gonna crisp it up later. Then you're gonna season your fish. And while it's resting, we're gonna mix up an easy compound butter that's gonna sort of be used to baste the salmon. So you're gonna fold all that together and set it aside. Then over medium-low flame, lay out your wood chips just a little bit bigger than the size of your actual portion of fish. Then let them start to smoke. It should take about a minute. Then lay over some pre-soaked herb. We're using tarragon, and then gently lay your fish on your temple. A couple dollops of the compound butter, then cover with your grill or some kind of dome cover. In the meantime, salt and fry up your fish skin. You can use it as a crumble. Then you're gonna baste and cover until you feel like it's reached about medium. The idea is to infuse as much smoke as possible. Then in about 8 minutes, you're done. Crumble on some salmon skin, plate it up, go to town. All hail the Fish Temple. Cheers. Oh, that smoke.